How to sign up for Netflix. If any day you would like to sign up for Netflix, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device and search Netflix there in order to launch your Netflix, or otherwise you can directly find the Netflix application on your mobile device. After you find the Netflix application there, you have to tap on the very Netflix application, and this way your Netflix application will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to wait for a while until your Netflix application will be launched properly, because it may be the problem of your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection out there. So you need to check whether you are connected to a stable data connection or your Wi-Fi connection or not. And then you have to go to the next option, that is signing in on your very Netflix account. Now after you wait for a while, you can see the black icon out there, and again you can see the next option, that is in order to sign in to the very Netflix account. Now in order to sign into the Netflix account, there a very screen where you have to just add on your very account out there, your account email or your account password out there. But sometimes what may happen is that your very Netflix account may have been opened previously, due to which the problem may be shown like this. So you have to create a very new account, and in order to create a new account, now you have to go to the option of creating a new account, because what may happen sometimes is that an account might have been already created from your very old number, and that's why your account may not be able to sign in. Therefore, you need to create a new account out there. In order to create a new account out there, you have to tap on the very option there, and again you have to add on your very new password and your very new application number there. You can add on your email or your phone number as well, and after you add on your email and phone number and your password there, your very Netflix account will be created, and it will be signed in on your very Netflix ID. And this way you can create an application there with your very account there on Netflix, and you can also add on the very news and hot videos on Netflix. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.